I thought you were a kitty cat.
I am a kitty cat werewolf, and I am a vampire too, and my body makes my paws.
But werewolves don't have paws. Oh, yeah, I guess they do. Vampires don't have paws.
Well, I'm a werewolf, and werewolves have paws.
Yeah, but what about the vampire?
Well, only when I turn into a vampire and a cat, I have paws.
But vampires don't have paws.
No, when I turn to a werewolf, I only have paws and a cat.
So what do you do when you have when you're a vampire?
Just hands.
But how do you change them?
Magic.
You're magic too?
Mm-hmm.
Show me those paws. And what do they look like when you're a vampire? So serious. All right.